What if the key to a healthier heart was as simple as relaxing in a warm infrared sauna? It's not something you'll often hear in a cardiologist's office, but growing evidence says maybe it should be. Welcome to Heal with Heat. Today we're diving into infrared saunas and heart health, and the surprising cardiovascular benefits your doctor might not have mentioned to you. Whether you're a wellness enthusiast or someone worried about a loved one's heart, this topic is near and dear to all of us. Stay tuned as we uncover what cardiologists don't tell you about infrared saunas in your heart. This is all going to be backed by credible science. Imagine stepping into gentle heat that envelops your whole body, easing tension and stress. Infrared saunas use special heaters to emit soothing, penetrating warmth at a lower air temperature than traditional saunas. So this means that even people who can't tolerate the extreme heat of a finished sauna can comfortably enjoy an infrared sauna's benefits. But comfort is just the beginning. Your heart and blood vessels are quietly getting a workout. So within minutes of sitting in an infrared sauna, your body reacts as if you're out doing light cardiovascular exercise. Your blood vessels widen, blood flow increases, and your heart rate increases, just like going for a brisk walk. So why is this good? Because it mimics the effects of cardiovascular exercise without the physical strain. What's happening here is mimicking exercise. It's delivering real benefits for your heart. In fact, studies show that regular infrared sauna sessions can improve heart health and even lower blood pressure, essentially giving you a passive cardio workout. It's like tricking your heart into a gym session while you just sit here and relax. There are a few different things going on here. The gentle heat is going to cause your arteries and your veins to dilate, meaning they open up, which helps blood flow more easily and reduces your blood pressure. Over time, regular sauna use trains your blood vessels to be more flexible and responsive. In fact, population studies in Finland, where sauna bathing is a way of life, have linked frequent sauna sessions with a reduced risk of developing high blood pressure. So by helping to normalize blood pressure, infrared saunas take strain off of your heart. This is a benefit that anyone with hypertension or heart concerns can definitely appreciate. Infrared heat therapy can make your blood vessels younger and more elastic. Scientific research suggests that repeated heat sessions improve endothelial function. That's a fancy term for how well your blood vessels relax and widen when they need to. In simple terms, your arteries become less stiff and more adaptable, which is crucial for preventing heart strain. One study even noted that heat therapy can modulate your nervous system and circulation in a way that lowers overall cardiovascular stress. Healthier, more flexible arteries mean better circulation and a heart that doesn't have to work as hard to pump your blood. Perhaps the most eye-opening evidence comes from a landmark study by Dr. Takashi Kihara and his colleagues in Japan. They treated a group of patients with serious heart failure to daily 15-minute infrared sauna sessions at around 60 degrees Celsius for just 2 weeks, and the results were astounding. 17 out of the 20 patients saw improvement in their symptoms, like less shortness of breath and fatigue. Even more impressively, objective measures showed their hearts were actually functioning better, again in just 2 weeks. The patient's blood vessels were dilating more effectively, which indicates improved cardiovascular health, and levels of BNP, which is a hormone that rises when the heart is under stress, dropped significantly. In short, their hearts were under less strain. The study concluded that repeated sauna therapy improved the patient's endothelial function, which in turn improved cardiac function and their clinical symptoms. Consistent sauna use doesn't just provide short-term boosts, it can also build your heart's long-term resilience. In a 15-year study following over 1,600 people, researchers found that those who use a sauna most frequently, 4 to 7 times a week, had dramatically lower rates of fatal heart problems compared to those who saunaed only once a week. In fact, frequent sauna bathers in this study were far less likely to die from cardiovascular causes. This is a strong hint that regular heat therapy makes your heart and your blood vessels more robust over time. So while more research is always welcome, it's really encouraging to see that sauna habits could contribute to longevity and heart disease prevention. In essence, an infrared sauna session isn't just a feel-good ritual. It's an investment in a stronger, more resistant cardiovascular system. So why don't cardiologists routinely tell patients about infrared saunas? The truth is, it's an emerging area of wellness, and it's not yet a standard prescription. Most doctors focus on medications, and sometimes, if you're lucky, on diet, which are certainly important. But the research on saunas is definitely starting to catch more and more attention. Forward-thinking cardiologists in places like Finland and Japan have already started incorporating sauna therapy as a complement to traditional or mainstream treatments because the results really speak for themselves. For many patients, infrared sauna sessions can be a secret weapon in their heart health arsenal. It's a natural, enjoyable therapy that can go along with your pills and your exercise. Of course, it's always wise to talk to your healthcare provider before starting any new healthcare routine, especially if you have a serious heart condition. But the bottom line is this: infrared saunas are generally safe for most people and offer a wide range of heart benefits. They're a feel-good therapy that's backed by real science, and I think it's time that more people heard about it. If you're excited to experience the heart health benefits of infrared saunas for yourself, visit healwithheat.com. We'd love to help you find the perfect sauna for your wellness journey.